I am your maths teacher from class nursery. You counting 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is your maths book. Open it. Book page number 1. Which number is this? 1. 1 apple. 1 apple. 1 cow. 1 cow. Okay student, look at here. Book page number 2. Color the object and trace the number. Hold your pencil and write the number 1. Start from dot, go down and down. This is number 1. 1 apple. 1 apple. Look at here. Start from dot, go down and down. Start from dot, go down and down. This is number 1. Start from dot, go down and down. Start from dot, go down and down. Start from dot, go down and down. This is number 1. Okay student, what is this? This is an apple. What is this? This is an apple. 1 apple. Now color it. Use red color in apple and green color use in leaf. Slowly color it. Now you complete page number 2. Now turn your page. Look at page number 3. Trace and write. Trace the number 1. Start from dot, go down and down. 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 Now I write number 1. This is a single dot. Start from dot, go down and stop here. 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 This is number 1. Now you complete page number 2 and 3. This is your today's work. Okay, Allah Hafiz.